Hey guys, welcome back to yet another exciting video. I hope you all liked, shared and commented on the previous videos. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon for instant notifications and updates. So today's ride, we are heading towards Rocky Ridge Cafe, Bengani Kotai. I was about to cover this last week itself when I went to Krishnagiri ride, but then it was kind of timed out, so that is the main reason I thought of trying to make this video today. So let's take the bike and roll for the ride. So it's around 70 kilometers from my place, and I hope it's going to be a great ride. From ATM, and then let's start the ride. So the thing is, we've been trying to go to this place, Rocky Ridge Cafe, for quite some time, but I don't know, due to some situations or some random reasons, I was not able to go. And I called up my friends as well if they are happy to join with me, but none turned out. So that is the reason this is a solo ride. I woke up at 5 and then there was two of the other friends who told me that they slept. One guy slept and the other guy was like, oh, I'm not slept. So then I thought, okay, let me go. So this was a common thing that happens when especially for riding. The person is not an early bird, then it's going to be very difficult. So today's petrol price is around 105. So we'll just fuel up the bike for around 300. It's better to be on the safer side. So let's roll. I'm just taking the Silk Road route and then heading towards Electronic Speed flyover. After that, I'll just put them and we crossed the actually we didn't cross the Attibele toll gate and all. It is just like there's a cutting in front, like there's a small cutting before it. That's the Anekal road. So I just put the map. It is the Attibele Rayakote road. So this is the actual route that we used to take when I used to go to Ayur forest also. Ayur is a ecotourism forest, so that is also something that I used to go, not on a regular basis. I've been there twice. So this is the same route we'll have to take for Rocky Ridge Cafe as well. It's another 43 kilometers and 59 minutes, close to an hour. Before that, I might take some break for a breakfast or something. So the estimated time to reach over there, the map shows that it's 8:16, but I'll reach probably after that like 8:30 or 8:45. As you all know that I'm a slow rider. So I don't have any issues in reaching the destination a bit late also. I probably think that I should have left a bit early. That would have been better. So this is the TVS company. The manufacturing and everything happens here in Hosur. This is another border limit between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. And it's pretty huge. The complete land belongs to TVS. And a lot of manufacturing, sales and everything happens here. So it's a nice place. Always have been wondered as to like how big organization they are. So you can see a lot of buses and a lot of people, a lot of employment opportunities are also available. It's nice. It's such a beautiful place, this road. If you guys can see towards the left, you can see that, right? Green grass ground, like a grassland. Completely. Such a beautiful place, guys. Looks damn beautiful. So I just took a coffee break here. As you all know, that's the ritual that I always do. I don't continuously ride for at least, I just ride 50 kilometers in one stretch, not more than that most of the times. The only highest stretch that I would have taken is around 100 kilometers. Not after that, I wouldn't have stretched more than that at once. So that's me. So it's around 26 kilometers and it's 35 minutes more to reach the place. That's the Rocky Ridge Cafe. The roads are beautiful. It's not that crowded. So peace. I'm just switching on the GoPro like very often because the place is so beautiful and I don't want you guys to miss out on these beautiful views. Right, the road and everything, it's just beautiful. I don't have words to express these things, but it's really nice. It's amazing. I just love this view. I never knew that this place is so beautiful. But yeah, I'm just switching on and off like very often. Probably I should just switch on the GoPro and just leave it like that. Beautiful place for such a beautiful ride. So yes guys, I kind of figured out something within myself. If I'm comfortable with a particular place, I keep going again and again to the same place, which shouldn't be the case. Else I would miss out on a lot of beautiful places like this. You guys would have seen the beautiful scenic. Oh damn, I think, is that an accident? What is the issue? Some fight. Okay, that's some village people fighting. So yeah, coming back to the thing. So that is how comfortable I am in exploring few things. I shouldn't repeat it. So that is what I was thinking now. In different places, else I'll miss out on beautiful places like this, right? So that's very important. Moving forward, this is something that I need to tell to myself on a regular basis that Frank, you shouldn't explore the same places. You should explore different places. There's a lot of things left out in this world. So let's enjoy this life that we have. And I always believe in this concept, YOLO, you only live once. So explore and do whatever your heart says. I just came across this place. It looks damn beautiful. So I thought like, okay, let me take the bike here. Wow. This looks bomb, guys. This just looks like the Chota Dadak. But this is huge. It's just showing me around 7 to 9 minutes to reach Rocky Ridge Cafe. But this place was nice. It's kind of peaceful.